Question 3, find the two smallest consecutive odd integers that have a sum greater than 16. Okay, so very similar to question 2, we're going to make our let statement. So the first is going to be x, and since we're talking about consecutive odd integers or consecutive, consecutive integers would be x plus 1, x plus 2 because they'd be 1 apart, but odd integers are always 2 apart, so we're even integers. So x and x plus, let the second be x plus 2, now such that they have a sum greater than 16, such that the first plus the second, the sum is greater than 16. Okay, so the first is really x, and the second is x plus 2, so I replace that, is greater than 16, so I'm going to add the x's, and so we get 2x plus 2 is greater than 16. Now I'm going to subtract the 2 to get the 2x alone, and that gives me 2x is greater than 14. Now let's subtract the 2 from both sides. So we have x is greater than 7. Okay, so the first number is greater than 7, right? Is x, which is greater than 7. The second number is x plus 2, which is going to be, if x is greater than 7, then x plus 2 is going to be greater than 9, right? Okay, so the first is greater, has to be greater than 7. The second number has to be greater than 9. And we're looking for, find the two smallest consecutive odd numbers. Okay, so 7 plus, like 7 and 9 don't work, so they have to be bigger than 7 and 9. So if I went to 8, it wouldn't be odd, so I have to go up to 9. So we're talking about 9 and 11. Okay, so the first integer is 9, the second integer is 11. And test that makes sense. If you add 9 to 9 plus 11, what do you get? Okay, you get 21, which is greater than 16. Alright, if you add 7 to 9, you get 16, which is not greater than 16, it's equal to 16. Alright, so 9 and 11 are the first two that work. And that's it for number 3. Have a good night.